The gentleman from North Carolina.
Mr. Chairman, thank you. We have a serious matter before the committee today. We've, both sides of the aisle, been able to go through hundreds of thousands of pages of documents. And one thing is clear. Lois Lerner orchestrated a concerted effort to target conservative groups because of their political views. The other thing that's clear is here in Congress, there are liberal members of the House and the Senate that wanted to use the IRS to target conservative groups because they didn't like a court case, including some on this committee. My Democrat colleague referenced Miranda rights. Well, one thing is clear from all the documents about Lois Lerner is that she's going to understand her Miranda rights. If we have accountability, if we have the rule of law in this country, and if those law enforcement agencies actually look at the evidence that we have before us. So what we're doing today should have been done months ago, but because it was the concerted effort of this committee and the majority party on this committee to make sure we got all the evidence and we did not act in haste. We've had 11 months of investigation on this. This thing started almost 4 years ago. So the actions we're taking today are justified based off of the evidence we have today. And my Democrat colleagues certainly appreciated the targeting that Lois Lerner was doing for them within the IRS. But it was their party that was targeted by a Republican president 40 years ago. And how things have changed in 40 years that those very folks that were targeted are trying to use that very same bureaucracy to target those that they oppose in political speech and debate. I'd like to yield the balance of my time to the gentleman from Ohio.